Hello guys and welcome. You are on MathWoman, the right place to be if you're looking for quick and easy math, mental calculation, brain training with an Italian touch but also with very good music. Today we're gonna talk about fractions. So we're going for an amazing journey from numerator to denominator. Are you ready? Because I am. So let's go. Okay, what are they? They're not a problem, but they are the solution to a problem. The problem of the division you cannot do in the natural set of numbers. Natural numbers are whole numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. The first ones we learn as a kid. So, 1 divided by 5 cannot be done in this natural set of number because no natural number multiplied by 5 equals to 1. So we use another kind of numbers, fraction, which are a division written in a different way. They are not written horizontally but vertically. But they are the same. So the number above the line is the numerator, and we use the letter n to refer to it. The sign of division here is the fraction line, but it's the same thing. It's not by chance they share the same button of your calculator, the two dots and the fraction line. Under the line we find the denominator, which is the old divisor, and we use the letter D to refer to it. So, my old division 1 divided by 5 equals to the fraction 1 over 5. All fractions form a new set of number, the rational set of number, and this set is referred with the letter Q. Guess, a fraction with the numerator equals to 1 is called a unit fraction. So 1 over 2, 1 over 3 is a unit fraction. A little bit of classification. We have two kind of fraction. The ones who worth less than 1, the proper fraction. We have that numerator is smaller than the denominator, and all the others in which numerator equals to denominator or is even bigger. In this set of fraction we have also apparent fractions, which seem to be fraction but they are natural numbers. For example, 6 over 6 equals to 1 because 6 divided by 6 equals to 1. And so we have for every natural number 12 over 6 is the number 2 because 12 divided by 6 equals to 2. Proper fraction worth less than 1, while all the other worth 1 or more. Another thing to know, I gave a very quick information saying that fraction equals to a division. It's only written in another way, but this is a very fundamental information because if you keep this in mind, you can unleash the invariant property, and it will give you superpowers. So check it out, keep it in mind, and we'll use it in next lesson. Okay, let's use a drawing to represent fraction. With a proper fraction, only a whole will be sufficient. denominator will tell you how many parts you have to do in your wall. So here my wall is divided in 6 parts. The denominator says how many parts you have to do, and the number above, numerator, tells you how many parts you have to shade. So you can use only a wall for a proper fraction. For improper fraction, you could use also more than one. For example, if you have to represent 11 over 6, your walls will be divided in 6 parts, but you'll have to shade 11. So one wall, it wouldn't be enough. You need another one. In your apparent fractions, you have your wall completely shaded. Now it's your turn. I prepared some exercise to check if you understood my poor English. I hope so. If not, you can listen, giving another try to this lesson. But don't go away, because we have our musical surprise in the end. What's it called? It's a fraction line. It's the same of the 2 dots symbol. What is it called? It's the denominator, the old divisor. The number of parts we have to divide the wall. What is it called? It's a numerator. It's the number of parts we have to shade in our drawing. It's the old dividend. How is it 8 over 7 classified? It's an improper fraction because 8 is bigger than 7. How is it classified? It's an apparent fraction because 14 divided by 7 equals 2. How is it classified? 2 over 7 is a proper fraction because 2 is smaller than 7. What is it? It's a unit fraction. Every fraction with the numerator 1 is a unit fraction. Which fraction is represented here? 7 over 7, because the wall is divided in 7 parts and all 7 are shaded. This is also an apparent fraction. This is actually the number 1, because 7 divided by 7 equals to 1. Which fraction is represented here? 3 over 5, because the wall is divided in 5 parts and 3 are shaded. Which fraction is represented here? 11 over 6. My walls are divided in 6 parts and 11 are shaded. This is an improper fraction. It's near number 2. So, thank you to be here, and I hope you enjoy the musical part of this lesson. In the next days you will have also a video lyrics you could use to refresh this lesson. Are you ready? Let's dance together and see you soon.
fraction is not the troller, it's the solver. 1 divided by 5 can't be done. 1/5 is rationally done. Dividing horizontally or vertically, it's all the same to me. Never the numerator, denominator, divisor. I'm your defender because fraction is not the trouble, it's the solver. And if I get a little witty, I'll never forget the invariant property. I'll say it again. Fraction is not the trouble, it's the solver. It's not the problem. It's not the problem. It's the solution.